Grim Workshop. Let's see what spooky stuff is in here. Ooh. No, I don't care about farming simulator, blah blah blah. Computer. Yeah. Okay. First is the sewing kit cord. I have no idea if I already have this. No idea. But that is worth $19.95. Yeah. So I think it's easy to thread. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, if you consider this big one easy to thread. I always like getting these, to be honest. The Bandit EDC Organizer. I actually have one of these on my wallet. So, okay. Wow, it doesn't give me a price. I'm actually not kidding. I am not kidding here. There's like no price on that. But yeah. For the cards, or DIY Compass version 2, I think I already have this one. I have no idea. None. That's $185. And then bottle, how to make a bottle trap for $185. Okay. I could always use more of these, to be honest. So, that's been the Grim Workshop subscription for October 2025. Yeah. Anyway, it was in Postbox File. I'm excited to wasteland. God bless and peace.